Alright guys, welcome down here at Auto Craze HQ. We're going to be doing a massive build today. We're going to be introducing the new Hammer triple loop bar. It's the elite bull bar. We're going to be doing this on this Ranger here. Now we're going to be doing a bunch of accessories on this Ranger. We're also doing the Auto Craze stainless steel snorkel. It's Australian made, works with the airbox, but you can get a custom airbox for it. The boys are onto it. I got Derek and Alan onto it now, so they've already cut for the snorkel. They're going to be getting ready for the bull bar. I'll show you the bull bar in a second. Now we're also going to be introducing the wheels we're putting on it. It's going to be the Nomad Sabbath. This wheel here is exclusive to Auto Craze. It's been designed by yours truly. We've got them in 3 different colors and we're going to be introducing a 4th color. They only come in 18, so I've got them in black, hyper black, and I've also got them in a matte black. Introducing this color, I've got this color in a bronze. Now this bronze over here, we're going to be running with an 18x9 with a 0 offset. We're also going to be introducing the new tire, which we've done before many times, which is the Yokohama G003. Introducing the Hammer bar to triple loop. We've also got the fog lights and the daytime running lights. It's also going to be working with the vehicle. We're also going to be doing a GME Radio. We're also going to be doing a Nighthawk light bar on this. So stay tuned guys. This is the latest build of 2021. Wait for the wind. A bit of tight asses here. We don't have a good mic. Anyway, listen out, I'm joking. All right, ready? All right, guys, we couldn't help ourselves. So you've seen us. We put the Hammer Plus Series bull bar on the front of it. We finished it off with a light bar that's integrated into the grill. We also got the customer GME Radio. Also, we've done the red bash plate to finish it off, and we also couldn't help ourselves. So we finished it off with the Rock Armor rock sliders. We also done the wedge tail roof rack with the light bar. And guess what? The bad boy Nomad Sabbath wheels, bronze wrapped with the G003. We also done the Dobinsons 2-inch lift, the 300 kilo rears. This is the Ranger of 2021. This is the first one, we're kicking it off. So watch this, you mother functions.